For fitness instruction or other communication in noisy environments or over great distances, you need clear, powerful voice reinforcement. The answer is the AmpliVox Fitness and Aquatic Sound Packages. These four specially engineered systems each combine the AmpliVox Mega Hailer with a wireless headset microphone and other components. The AmpliVox Mega Hailer is renowned for its power and audio clarity in demanding environments. It has a built-in 50-watt amplifier and speaker that let you reach up to 3,000 people, heavy-duty construction for indoor or outdoor use, rechargeable batteries that provide up to 10 hours of operation, built-in Bluetooth, and many other features. The 2.4 GHz Wireless Fitness Package combines the Mega Hailer with a low-interference, wireless 2.4 GHz headset microphone and a receiver that simply plugs into the Mega Hailer. The Waistband Wireless Fitness Package combines the Mega Hailer with a wireless headset mic, 96-channel wireless microphone transmitter, and a neoprene fitness belt that holds the transmitter during workout instruction. The Aquatic Wireless Fitness Package combines the Mega Hailer with a wireless headset mic, 96-channel wireless microphone transmitter, and a watertight case and belt for the transmitter, making it perfect for aquatic settings. The final system, the Rechargeable Fitness Package, combines the Mega Hailer with a wireless headset mic and 100-channel transmitter and receiver. This gives you the freedom to stand up to 300 feet away from the Mega Hailer. The AmpliVox Fitness and Aquatic Sound Packages will carry your voice from the gym to the playing field to the most faraway crowds. Extend your voice with AmpliVox.